Mister, hello. Thank you for watching this new video. Thank you, much appreciate. New channel, file text, subscribe please. This is Accsoon Seemo unboxing, first impressions. What the f is this? Well, Seemo is an HDMI to iPhone and iPad adapter used for turning your iPhone or iPad into a full-featured camera monitor. Oh no, what is that build quality? Ooh, what is that clamp? Feels fragile but works so great, so satisfying. Ooh, a shoe mount. Ooh, instruction manual. Ooh, battery makes it heavy as f. Wow. Ooh, what are these sounds? The f. Oh, why? What is that for? Let's get the app. Ooh, this is easy. I like doing that. Nice. Full-size HDMI. Kind of strange to hold. Let's test it out. Wow. Oh. Let me know if you want to see a full video on Seemo. I'll see you guys next time.